Today we're diving into ATAS, a trading software that claims to streamline your order flow trading. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's take a closer look at what this platform offers and whether it's worth your time. ATAS stands for Advanced Trading Analytical Software, and it's designed specifically for order flow trading. The core functionality revolves around providing traders with detailed market insights through advanced charting tools, volume analysis, and market depth visualization. Right off the bat, the user interface feels quite intuitive, which is a plus for both beginners and seasoned traders. You can customize your charts extensively, which is great if you have specific strategies in mind. However, while the platform showcases impressive analytics and the ability to analyze market liquidity, some features could feel overwhelming if you're not familiar with order flow concepts. One thing that stands out is the educational resources available, which help users understand how to make the most of the software. Yet, I did notice that there's a bit of a learning curve involved. It's not entirely clear how some features integrate with others, which could leave new users a bit frustrated. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, ATAS offers a wealth of analytical tools that can be invaluable for serious traders looking to refine their strategies. The customization options are a standout feature, allowing you to tailor your trading environment to fit your needs. However, there are some downsides. Users have mentioned that the pricing can be a bit steep, especially if you're just starting out. Additionally, the learning curve might deter casual traders or those who prefer a more straightforward trading experience. There are also some reports about the customer support being less responsive than expected, which could be a concern if you run into issues. Ultimately, while ATAS is powerful, it may not suit every trader, especially those looking for a simpler interface or lower costs. In conclusion, ATAS is a solid choice for dedicated order flow traders seeking advanced tools and insights. If you're willing to invest the time to learn the platform and can handle the pricing, it could be worth considering. However, if you're new to trading or prefer a more user-friendly approach, you might want to explore other options.